Last year, I spent $180 on fertilizer. This year, not a single penny. And here's the crazy part. My plants are growing twice as fast. The secret: 5 things you're throwing in the trash every single day. I used to be the person who killed every plant I touched. 3 pots of herbs, dead within a month. I thought I just had a black thumb. But then I discovered something my grandmother knew 40 years ago. By the end of this video, you will never buy fertilizer again. Let me show you exactly what I mean. 3 months ago, I had 2 tomato plants that were dying. Yellow leaves, wilting stems. I was ready to give up. Then I remembered what my grandmother used to do in her garden. The garden that was always the greenest on the block. I tried her method. 6 weeks later, those same plants went from 12 tomatoes to 47. I'll show you the before and after photos in just a moment. Today, I'm sharing 5 kitchen fertilizer recipes with exact ratios you can follow, plus 3 fatal mistakes that kill most plants. Before we start, drop a comment below and tell me, what are you growing right now? All right, let's begin with recipe number 1. This first recipe comes straight from my grandmother's kitchen. 40 years ago, she had a simple morning routine. Every time she made oatmeal for breakfast, she saved the leftover water. Her neighbors always asked, "Why is your garden so green?" She just smiled and never told them. Well, today I'm telling you, here's what you need. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 liter of water. That's it. The process is simple. Soak the oatmeal in water for 24 hours. The next day, strain out the oatmeal pieces using a fine cloth. Pour the cloudy water directly at the base of your plants. This works best for tomatoes, peppers, leafy greens like lettuce and spinach. How often? Once every 2 weeks. No more, no less. Why does it work? Oatmeal releases nitrogen slowly into the water. Nitrogen is what makes leaves dark green and healthy. The cost? About 5 cents per liter. Compare that to $15 for a bottle of liquid fertilizer at the store. Now this oatmeal recipe is good. But recipe number 3? That's the one that made my neighbor knock on my door asking for my secret. We'll get there. But first, last spring, my roses were struggling. Few blooms, weak stems. Then my neighbor walked by and said, "Wow, your roses look amazing. What's your secret?" I laughed because I had only started using banana peels 2 weeks earlier. Here's the recipe. 3 to 4 banana peels. 1 liter of water. How to make it? Cut the peels into small pieces. Soak them in water for 48 hours. Strain and use. Best for any plant that produces flowers or fruit. Roses, tomatoes, peppers, strawberries. How often? Every 1 to 2 weeks during growing season. Why it works? Banana peels are packed with potassium. Potassium is the nutrient that triggers flowering and helps fruits grow bigger. Think about it. Every time you eat a banana, you're throwing away free fertilizer. 1 banana peel contains enough potassium to feed 1 plant for a week. Stop throwing them away. This is the breakfast solution. Every morning, millions of people crack eggs and throw away the shells. Those shells? Pure calcium. Here's what you need. 5 to 6 eggshells. 1 liter of water. The process: rinse the shells clean. Crush them into small pieces. Soak in water for 5 to 7 days. strain, and use. Perfect for tomatoes, peppers, squash, any plant that gets blossom end rot. That ugly black spot at the bottom of tomatoes. How often? Every 2 to 3 weeks. Why it works? Calcium prevents blossom end rot. It also strengthens cell walls, making plants more disease resistant. Quick question for you. How many eggs do you eat per week? Drop that number in the comments. I'm curious. If you eat just 2 eggs a day, that's enough shells to feed 10 plants every month. For free. If you drink coffee every morning, you're sitting on a gold mine. Those used coffee grounds, they're one of the best fertilizers for certain plants. Here's the recipe. 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. 1 liter of water. How to make it? Let the grounds dry first. Mix with water. Let it sit for 24 hours. Strain and use. Best for roses, azaleas, blueberries, hydrangeas, any plant that loves acidic soil. How often? Every 1 to 2 weeks. Why it works? Coffee grounds add nitrogen and slightly acidify the soil. Acid-loving plants thrive on this. But here's a warning. Do not use this on tomatoes or peppers. They hate acidic soil. The coffee will stunt their growth. This is one of the 3 fatal mistakes. I'll explain in a moment. First, let me show you the ultimate recipe. I call this the kitchen emergency room. When a plant is dying and you need to save it fast, this is what you use. Here's the formula. 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, 2 banana peels, 3 crushed eggshells, 2 liters of water. How to make it? Combine everything in a jar. Let it soak for 3 to 5 days. Strain carefully through a fine cloth. Apply directly to the soil. This gives your plant nitrogen from oatmeal, potassium from banana, calcium from eggshells. All 3 major nutrients in 1 drink. Remember those 2 dying tomato plants I mentioned at the beginning? This is the exact recipe that saved them. 12 tomatoes became 47 in 6 weeks. This works. I've seen it with my own eyes. Now, before you rush to your kitchen, let me save you from 3 mistakes that kill most plants. Mistake number 1, not straining properly. If you leave chunks of food in the water, you'll attract fruit flies and grow mold. Always strain through cloth, at least twice. Mistake number 2, using too much too often. More is not better. These fertilizers are powerful. Using them every week will burn your roots and kill your plants. Stick to every 2 to 3 weeks. Mistake number 3, using the wrong recipe on the wrong plant. Coffee grounds on tomatoes? Disaster. Tomatoes hate acid. They'll turn yellow and stop producing. Always match the recipe to the plant. That's why I made a cheat sheet for you. Coming up right now, here's your quick reference guide. Oatmeal, 2 tablespoons per liter for leafy greens, every 2 weeks. Banana peel, 3 peels per liter for flowering plants, every 1 to 2 weeks. Eggshell, 6 shells per liter for tomatoes and peppers, every 2 to 3 weeks. Coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons per liter for acid-loving plants only, every 1 to 2 weeks. Super mix for emergencies only. Screenshot this or save the video for later. So there you have it. From $180 a year to $0. And my plants have never looked better. Those 2 tomato plants I almost gave up on, they produced 47 tomatoes. all from things I used to throw in the trash. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips that actually work. Coming up next, 3 fertilizers you should never use on vegetables. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Now drop a comment and tell me, which recipe will you try first? I'll see you in the next video.